In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Madewell promo code. So let's get started. So as you know, Madewell is an online clothing brand and you might be wondering on how you can get a discount. So first of all, you're going to go to your web browser and search up Madewell promo code and click go. So once that is done, you're going to head over to this website, Retail Me Not, and you're going to click on it. Alright, so once you're here, you're going to see many code. So the first one is up to 30% off. So you can click on it. And cool down is this is a code which is going to give you a 30% off. So you can click on this link Madewell, which is going to take you to their website. You can choose your products and you can use this code at checkout for a 30% off. Similarly, there are many other codes you can give a try. For example, there's a code for 20% off, so you can click on that. And this is the code for 20% off. So cup of Joe 20, you can copy and do the same steps and use it at checkout. There are many other codes you can give it a try. So for example, some are sales, so they are ongoing offers right now on the website, so you don't need a code for them, so you can directly use them on the website. But other are codes and you can go and see which one is useful to you and use them. Now I'm going to head over to some other website and show you a few more codes. Okay, then you can scroll down until you see this website, Seen That Coupons, and you're going to click on this website. I'm going to wait for the website to load. Alright, so once it's loaded, the first one is a 20% off. You can click on show coupon. And this is the same coupon code we saw on the other website. You can go and copy this. So there's another one up to 70% off on sweaters. So as you can see, this is an ongoing deal, so you can directly go to the website and use this and claim your offer. And let's say there are more 20% off, so you can click this one, grab 20% off your order. So WWW20 is another code which can give you a 20% off, so you can give this one a try as well. So you can go and explore other codes as well. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.